Today we're taking a look at the LUXE Bidet Neo 185, a non-electric bidet attachment designed to improve hygiene and provide a more refreshing bathroom experience. We've owned this bidet for almost 3 years now. This model offers 2 self-cleaning nozzles, one for a standard rear wash and another for a feminine wash. We found that the dual nozzle system adds versatility, especially in households with different hygiene needs. One of the standout features of the Neo 185 is its adjustable water pressure. It's easy to control with a simple twist of the dial, giving you the freedom to find the perfect pressure that suits you. Installation was relatively straightforward. The kit comes with all the necessary parts, including T-adapters and a braided steel hose. We didn't need any special tools, and it took around 15 to 20 minutes to attach it to a standard toilet. Since it's non-electric, the LUXE Bidet doesn't require a power source, making it a great eco-friendly option that won't increase your electricity bills. Both nozzles are self-cleaning, which helps maintain hygiene without extra hassle. The system also retracts the nozzles when not in use, keeping them protected. Overall, we've had a positive experience with the LUXE Bidet Neo 185. It delivers what it promises: a reliable and adjustable wash, simple installation, and easy maintenance. If you're looking to upgrade your bathroom without breaking the bank, definitely give this product some consideration.